Okay, now we're descending. Going back down. Across that mountain there. To get on another gondola. To go up those mountains. Oh, there's the donkeys. Yeah, I guess we thought maybe they brought them up here and you can feed the donkeys. And I guess if they have a blizzard or something or heavy snow coming, maybe they bring them back down. Alright, here we go. Oh, goodness. Oy, 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 oy. Oh, yes, I felt that. Okay, we are descending. Pretty quick. Better than an airplane ride. I will take this over an airplane. More up close and personal. Wow, look how gorgeous. What? Oh, we're going to have another one. Here we go. Woo! Ay, ay, ay. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Yep, and that's where we started down there in the city. Get ready for another bump. And yes, you do feel your stomach drop. Just like on a roller coaster. Oy, oy, oy. Here we go. Woo!
Et là, c'est tout droit.
Like right here.
Wow. Look how blue that sky is.
Moi, je vois les motos.
No.
Non, mais tu pourrais les voir. Alors, attends.
We're going all the way down there.
Ouais, c'est le parking, mais de derrière, ça. Ouais, c'est de l'autre côté de la route.
We were above the clouds earlier.
L'autre parking.
Oh, look at that. Here they come up. That's pretty quick.
Oui, moi aussi, je vois la rénovation, mais je vois
This at the top of the mountain, you definitely need a jacket. Very cold. Icicles, snow.
on va aller voir encore la zone. Oui, la zone, ouais. Ah si, ça y est, je commence à les voir.
If you see that shadow, that's our gondola. Not very fast down.
Mais je les vois maintenant. Non, il y en a d'autres. Bah, les petites, je crois qu'elles sont restées. Ça va, hein, s'il y a plus, hein.
Go. Lots of pines, absolutely beautiful. Let's see how close we're getting. I hope you guys are all enjoying the view.
Oh my God.
Absolutely beautiful here in Switzerland. I didn't realize it was this populated.
You do it now?
Ça prend plusieurs.
Very close. And then we go eat. Then after we eat, we go up the other side. Right up there. That's where we're going.
Was it fun?
They hit that top right there. Right above that cloud there in the middle. That's where we're going. Oh, hang gliders. Yep, look at there's some hang gliders up there.
I mean, I hear.
I don't know if you can see them. Wow, cool. Okay. And looky here. We made it.
J'ai pas été.
Yes, like I said, they are very thin up there. You get a little bit dizzy. And as you come down, your fingers begin to tingle. You start getting your oxygen level back up. If you ever have an opportunity to do this, do it. Once in a lifetime. Okay, over and out.